So here's our maple syrup setup. These are our trees that we tapped. We have more over in the other woods over there. But here's a whole grouping of maples here that give a lot of maple syrup. So here's our bucket, spout. Once these get filled up, you grab the pail and we dump it into this big barrel right over here. And then once this gets full, it's enough to make it worthwhile to boil it down. It's boiling down day, so we're getting an early start today. Here's the first step: you make your fire. We have our pan on top. And here is our pail of sap that we gathered. So far we have probably 30 gallons of sap to boil down today. And we just keep feeding it into the pan here. It's got a spout on this corner to drain out the sap when it's all the way boiled down into maple syrup. Okay, so now we've had the fire going for a little while. You can tell because the pan's... So now you can see some of the sap is boiling off the top. The water is. So now we know we are in business. Got a pretty hot fire down there. And it really helps to have these cinder blocks around the side because it contains the heat and the flame in there. So it can boil down a lot faster. We only put in, close to 15 gallons. So this won't even be a gallon of syrup, but it's still worth it. Okay, we are done with our first batch. You know your syrup is done when it reaches 219 degrees Fahrenheit on a candy thermometer. Otherwise you can just taste it or look at the texture and tell if it's done. Here's the finished product. About 18 gallons of sap turned into this much syrup. This will probably be about 2 quarts. And we're just going to let it cool down just a little bit and then we'll put it into canning jars.